How to fix lag problem in PUBG Mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix lag problem in PUBG Mobile. Before diving into the solutions, it's crucial to understand why PUBG Mobile may be lagging on your iPhone. Lag often stems from an unstable network. Older devices may struggle to keep up with the demands of PUBG Mobile's graphics and processing power. If your iPhone is too old to meet the game's system requirements, it can cause constant PUBG Mobile lag. LagoFast Mobile Booster stands out as a PUBG Mobile lag reducer that can quickly and effectively fix the lag. When gamers encounter a sudden lag, they can immediately open LagoFast Mobile Booster and fix it with one click. Leveraging an advanced data transfer mechanism, LagoFast precisely identifies the status of nodes and enhances your PUBG Mobile connection. Additionally, for multiplayer games such as PUBG, LagoFast dynamically analyzes and updates server statuses in real time. Search LagoFast Mobile Booster in the App Store or Google Play Store, as it is globally available, or scan the QR code below to start a free trial. Now, click the download button, then launch LagoFast Mobile Booster. Next, launch PUBG Mobile, then search PUBG Mobile in LagoFast Mobile Booster. When you find it, click the Boost button. Finally, go back to PUBG Mobile and start playing it without any lag. You can switch to a high-speed Wi-Fi connection or use a reliable mobile data network. Close background apps that consume bandwidth to ensure PUBG Mobile gets a priority connection. In-game settings tweaks. Navigate to settings in PUBG Mobile. Adjust graphics settings to a lower quality for smoother performance. Experiment with different frame rate settings to find the balance between visuals and performance. Keep your iPhone's operating system up to date. System updates often include optimizations that can improve gaming performance. High temperatures can affect mobile phone performance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.